Are Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers safe on your OEM wheels? Quality Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are essentially safe. They're mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hub. The vehicle wheels are fastened to a corresponding wheel hub by clamping bolts, achieved by tightening the wheel studs of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Mitsubishi Pajero hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers installed. Installed half-century Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and a lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum chance of wheel vibration. Quality Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. Most Ford multi-stage half-century Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable for off-road. The half-century metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the transfer matches the corresponding hub branch, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS multi-stage half-century Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of wheel vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute into the shape. These grooves allow the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve road safety. Also, BONOSS active cooling Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a good day.